Welcome to Landria Onkka on YouTube, here to help you break through those fears and live an awesome life. Advanced manifesting today. Boy, we're doing a lot of that. What is advanced manifesting? I'm really going to go deep into how do we manifest in the way we desire. You see, you're manifesting 24/7. This is what most people don't understand. Manifesting takes place always. We are one energy that is just constantly evolving, transforming, and expressing itself. That's it. You're part of that. Well, as a human being, you get to choose how you use your energy as this individual expression of the one energy, but everything is connected. So, wow, a lot of responsibility, right? And that's what all of us have, total responsibility. And as inhabitants of this planet, we must remember that always, because it's not just about you. And everything that you do for you is affecting everybody else too, so make good choices. What are good choices? Higher frequency choices. What does that mean? A higher frequency is a feel-good, open, expansive, loving, compassionate choice. And it starts with your words. All right, so we're going to talk about words today because words actually have a frequency. Now, I experimented on you, sorry, but I had to do this just to see if this really was going to apply to everything. Because we're drawn to the negative much of the time. If that wasn't true, then we wouldn't see all of these negative shows and movies and all these things, which seem to be very popular. Now, herein lies the question about that. Are they really popular, or are they only popular with people who are resonating on that frequency? Because let's face it, if you're on a higher frequency, you don't want to watch anybody get killed or murders or all that stuff. Well, it's not to say there isn't a good murder mystery out there once in a while, but depending on what kind of frequency it resonates, it could be disturbing for you or just interesting, okay? Now, words and everything are very powerful, because I ran some videos and I put them out in a more of a negative format. In other words, I would post a video that said, why you're unhappy. And then I ran it for a while. Then I changed the title to the exact same video to how to be happy, and it got a lot more views. All right, why you're struggling, or how to end struggle, or how to create a positive reality. Whenever I put the higher words, the higher frequency words, I got more attention for it, positive attention. All right, so people that are on the lower frequency words are probably going to be on conspiracy theory channels anyways. They're resonating with those other people who love to just argue with each other and you know, want to be right, and it just serves no really good purpose other than why aren't we focusing on the higher frequencies and the positive things? Those words, those higher frequency words, are affecting your life. Yeah, so here we go. Can you today choose nothing but higher frequency words? So in other words, if you're going to talk about something, instead of saying, well, that's not a good thing, you can say, the best way to do that, or a positive way to do that, would be, and so you flip everything over to the higher frequency. She's unhappy, or, well, I send her blessings. I hope that she finds happiness. Do you see what I'm saying? That's higher frequency. Words count. Words have frequency. When you use the lower word, even if you're using it in a positive way, it still has a lower frequency than if you used it in a positive way with a positive word, right? So we wouldn't even use the word unhappy or struggle. We would use happiness and blessings and, you know, sending light, sending love. Do it for a day and see what happens. You'll start to resonate on a higher frequency. Those words actually go into your body. Everything is energy, and it affects you. What's coming out from you is what you're receiving immediately. So again, even though we are doing it sometimes in a very positive way, and we mean it in a positive way, if it's a lower frequency word, discard it and choose a higher one. and keep doing it all day long. And you will find that all you're doing is putting out higher frequencies out there constantly. You'll get in the habit of doing that, choosing the higher frequency words. Yeah, it really matters because everything is energy and everything's a frequency. And whatever you resonate on is the world that you will live in. And when you start to resonate on a higher frequency world, you'll attract other higher frequency people using higher frequency words and thinking. And those words translate into thoughts, beliefs, actions. Because if that's what you're putting out there, you start to believe and think that way. And do the same thing with your thoughts. Choose the higher frequency thoughts. I'm not going to say, oh, this is a struggle. I'm going to say, I know that my angels and my guardians are showing me a better way. I know that wonderful things are showing up in my life right now. I'm going to choose amazing actions and thoughts to get myself into that higher frequency and in that new reality that I choose to live. Translate constantly. Now, I've done other exercises with you where we actually monitor your negative thoughts all day without trying to transform them. This is a transformation of any thoughts that are on the lower frequency to the higher one. Do it all day long. See what happens. You'll actually start to experience some changes, and it won't be a coincidence that it was how you were thinking and speaking and those words that you're choosing. You're whole, perfect, strong, powerful, loving, harmonious, and happy. Advanced manifesting. Let's go. Namaste.